Are you ready?
No, I don't even know the intro.
Yeah, you do.
I do?
Yeah.
What is it?
I'm gonna say, welcome to my channel. My name is London, and today I have a special guest.
Hi.
Been requesting
A video?
Yeah, to be in one of my videos. So, Boo is my brother, and he's gonna be doing my makeup today. So, let's get on into this, because Boo has a whole collection of stuff that he picked out that I can insert right now, but he picked out a whole bunch of stuff for me. And you have a vision, don't you?
Hmm?
You have a vision of what you want to put on my face? So what do you want to start with?
This looks
So
like
you have the Lancome Tintadol Camouflage.
I think I know where I put this.
Yeah, and you can use whatever brushes you want.
Small for detail.
Oh, yeah? Sure. Oh, you're just gonna squeeze it on my face? What are you covering up?
Nose.
My nose. Oh. Oh, God. My forehead.
Yeah.
What's there to cover up on my forehead? This feels really weird.
Wrinkles.
Wrinkles? I have wrinkles?
Everybody does.
Okay. So that's the Tintadol.
And now I got so.
So now you're gonna... That looks weird. Oh, man. Good luck blending that out.
How do I blend it?
Yeah, it's very full coverage.
It looks like you have a bunch of random stuff.
Let me move my face in a certain way.
No.
You want a bigger brush?
Yeah.
Here, why don't you put all the brushes that you used over here so I can clean them? Why don't you use this one? Oh, I feel like my... Oh.
Do I just do this?
Annie, can you get out? Sorry if you can hear dogs breathing.
Have you shown them the puppies in a vlog?
No, I don't do vlogs.
You need to do them.
I need to do vlogs. You need to get in my nose. You're so artistic. Have you ever done anyone's makeup before?
Nope.
Yeah,
I never
your
will do it
first
again.
time. So, other than wrinkles, what are you trying to cover up?
I'm trying to make it look like a snowman.
A snowman?
Huh?
Why a snowman?
Because white is awesome.
You can be more rough than that. Yeah, get in those wrinkles that I have.
You look like a snowman already.
A
Look at yourself.
Oh! I do look like a snowman. Do you want to get under my eyes?
I need like a brush that doesn't have anything on it.
Yeah?
Like this. Yeah, I'm gonna try to like fade it.
My Fenty brush.
Try to fade it so it blends in so much more. So you don't look like a snowman.
Oh, so you don't look like a snowman. You need to get a brush that doesn't have anything on it.
Yeah, and you just wipe it a little bit, and you don't spread it. You just wipe it.
Mm-hmm.
That's what I think, and then it will like show up your skin a little better, so that you don't look like a snowman.
Oh yeah.
I'm gonna keep this because I might need this.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right. What is next?
Makeup.
Makeup. Oh.
Lipstick.
Oh yeah. Boo picked out the Fenty Beauty effing black lipstick.
Oh.
What did you mean? Oh. Did you not expect it to be so black?
No, it like spread so. Smile.
I ate my black lipstick.
Now do the little. Okay, you might need to get rid of. Wait, do you have makeup remover?
I have a towel.
Okay.
What do I need to do with it?
Okay, I do this.
Mm-hmm.
Wait, keep still like that. What?
Wait, what are you doing?
It's like down here. I'm trying to get rid of that. Okay, that's good. Now just rub it.
Is it better now?
Yeah. How do I get some? Like, do I get over here?
Wait,
do I connect them? Yeah, because you need to get.
You want me to open my mouth like that?
Sure.
Ah.
Okay, now close.
And now we're doing purple?
Yeah, I'm gonna do, not like covering purple. Okay, man, it's real black.
You asked for black. I gave you black lipstick.
Don't think those colors are gonna show us.
Oh, yeah, glitter.
Okay. Nothing shows up on that. It's just pitch black. I'm gonna try blue because blue is a real dark color. That might overpower it because it's this. Yes. Just looks like a bunch of polka dots, but it looks sick.
Is this how Mom puts her lipstick on?
Mm-mm.
You want me to mix it?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I like your creativity. All right, what is next?
Cheeks.
And my cheeks? Ooh,
This is cheeks.
Whatever you want it to be.
No, that's eye.
Yeah?
Because I remember. This is cheeks.
Mm-hmm.
A big polishy brush like this. No.
Mm-hmm.
Polishy. Puff, puff. Well, that blends really good.
Yeah? You like the Fenty brushes?
Mm-hmm.
They blend everything really nice.
Thank you for teaching me the word blend. Now I always say it.
You're welcome.
Don't know what this goes with.
So this, you have to shake it up.
What
It's liquid.
is it for?
It's argan oil. You have to squeeze it and then twist it. Oh, holographic.
Where do I put it?
Wherever you want to put it. You're sucking my cheeks up.
Because I think that's what it's supposed to do. This YouTuber has a dog name. I forgot the name of the dog. But it's Can I shout out another channel that I watch?
What?
Can I shout out a channel that I watch?
Yeah, sure.
Super Serial, because he has this dog, and this one time they were like shaving his friend's head because he just wanted to, and then his friend best in class was sitting watching TV. Then the dog, one of the dogs, opened the door.
Oh man!
Like jumped up and like pulled it down.
Whoa!
Can you tell me the brush?
No, this doesn't come with them. We're gonna use the Jeffree Star Blue Blood palette, and you can use any of those brushes.
I'm trying to figure out something that explains you.
That explains me. All right, where are you putting it? On my eyelids.
Okay, I'm gonna have to do another color. No laughing, else I'll poke your eye.
Yeah, there you go. That's how you do it. You just tap it. Well, not that hard. Oh, wow.
Oh, that works.
I'm so afraid to look at this.
Okay, I'm gonna need that giant brush that we want. Was it this one? This one. This one's the one. Okay, there's really not close.
Oh. Or we could use that alien palette.
Alien, yes.
Yeah. Who likes Jeffree Star and Fenty? Alien!
And what's inside it? The alien was eating makeup.
Yes, and then you can flip it over like that.
Close your eyes.
Whoa. Oh my. Yeah, tap it off. Do you watch makeup tutorials?
Is my sister a makeup artist?
I guess, but I don't remember.
Oh, that's way less.
Way less? What is your inspiration?
Galaxy. That's what the lips were gonna go for, but then Mr. Black was too dark.
Well, this is black.
Yeah, but this one is not like pitch black like the other makeup. Lipstick. Dippity dip. A doop doop doop. Dippity dip. A doop doop. Dippity dip.
You're done with that one.
Yeah, I'm doing one more thing. This thing.
Where are you gonna put that?
Everywhere.
Okay.
No.
Oh.
Got gold eyelashes.
Bourbon!
Where'd you put the eyelashes stuff?
Like this stuff?
Oh yeah. What is this?
Oh, are you gonna do this? I'm scared. Wait! I don't think I can do this. Okay, I'm gonna close my eyes.
For what?
Where are you putting that?
Huh?
So you don't want me to close my eyes?
No, you close your eyes so I can put it here and put it here.
Okay, like this?
Yeah.
Okay. Tell me when you're touching my face.
Do I?
Oh.
Okay, I might need to remove some makeup. That looks awesome.
That's what my makeup normally looks like?
No, it just looks creepy and awesome. It looks awesome in a open. It looks awesome in my mind.
Okay.
Please comment that I can be in more videos.
You want people to comment for you to be in more videos?
Yes.
Well, you didn't even use this.
Well, I don't even know what that is.
Well, you picked it out. What did you do? You like this? Ofra?
Nah, that looks like a clown.
I look like a clown now?
Okay, I'm done.
Oh, so pretty.
The only good thing is the makeup.
Oh.
The lipstick.
I mean, you did pretty good on the eyeshadow. That looks interesting. And the lip, the cheeks. All right, shall we zoom everyone in to let them see what you did? So we got eyes, eyebrows. You didn't cover my wrinkles very well.
Oh yeah, because I was fading.
So what do we do now? If you like this video, give it a
thumbs up and please subscribe.
Please subscribe
For more content.
Should I do that more often?
Yes.
Subscribe for more content.
Because if someone was watching your video and they liked the video and they subscribed to the video and they really liked that video, they would get daily uploads of that video, or not that exact video, but some more videos.
Boo, he's my marketing agent.
And I'm gonna make her some merch.
Yeah, he's gonna make me some merch. And he's also gonna help me clean my brushes off. Alright, I'll see you guys in my next video. Give Boo some love. He's always in the comments watching my videos. And I hope you guys like this interesting makeup choice that I had. Alright, you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you in my next video.
Please.
Please.